Alright, this is Todd. Todd, you're on video. Todd has a GT500 as well. You're driving this track for the first time this session, or this 2-day event, right?
I am.
Yeah. Crazy fun track.
She's a lot. She's a lot to take on, but she's a lot of fun. Elevation, technical parts, long straights, like anything you want to track, it's here, but it's a lot to learn.
A lot to learn. Well said. Big circle, big circle. Dive down to the apex. Manage this radius with your right foot. More right foot makes the radius bigger. Hard brake, throttle. Cup twos, they're sliding a little bit. That's it. Brake, turn in. How you doing over there?
I'm great.
Okay. If it's too crazy, let me know.
No, go.
All right.
I'm learning a
little
lot
understeer
right
there.
You just let it rip.
All right. Big circle, 5. All right, we're going to be on the red into the S's. Brake check, just to scrub some speed, get the nose to rotate. There we go, better speed this time. Big fuck on my window, awesome. And we're going to do a high-speed sweeper here, off brake, turn in throttle. That's it, that's not too bad. Look for the road on the left. There it is, brakes. Look for the cone, there it is, turn in. As soon as you see that cone, turn in. Stay on throttle. Brake check, off brake throttle, turn in. Little line on one on purpose. On 10A. Hard brake. That's it. Bite, bite, bite. Big circle. Hard brake. Looking for my cone. There it is. I want to touch the grass at the top. Okay. Oh, cups are sliding. Okay, let's see if we can get this wiggle down. Left, right. That's not too bad. Little understeer. Pushing with the front. Scrub a little speed. Go. Back on throttle. Let's go. Down.
You can really straighten that out if you're taking that far right.
It's better, yeah. .241, we did all right.
Yeah, we did all right.
All right. Too slow through here. 10, let's go. But I always understeer right here. I need more grip. Yeah.
What tire are you running?
Yeah, could use some more downforce in the front, some better tire, all that. Alright, let's keep our speed up here. On the gas, come on, that's it, that's good. Road, brake, cone, turn in, little slip. Not too much speed scrub here, little sliding, yeah, got it. Keep some speed, keep some speed. Brakes feel good still. Yep, I got offline and I saw a 240 up there that we lost. Yep. What time did it register? 241. We did back-to-back 241s. I'll call that good.
Yeah, I call that amazing. Great job, man. I learned a lot really fast. Wow.
Did you survive?
Wow. Yeah, I do this all day.
Okay, so you got the exact same car, same track, so you can see some things that help maybe?
I'm not going to send you my time at the end of the day. But I learned a lot. I'm going to pick up a lot of time from what we just did. Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Good shit.